Hello, my name is Josh, and welcome to the keyboard video. I'll be showing you my first mounted keyboard, the LTC NV681 Nimbleback. It was a budget build, so don't expect anything too crazy. Okay, let's get into it. The layout of the keyboard is 65%, meaning that the function row is gone and that there is no numpad. For the switches, I chose some great budget linears, in my opinion, the Gateron Yellows. They sound creamy when lubed and pretty smooth to type on. The actuation force is 50 grams, so it actuates near the bottom of the key press, ensuring that you don't accidentally press any other keys. Unfortunately, the pack switches I bought were just 4 off from the number of switches on the board, so I have just 4 keys that sound... yeah. I had to use the stock Gateron Reds to fill in the last switches, unlubed of course because I ran out. And while making this board, there was a casualty. While I was putting in the switches, one of the Gateron yellow switches got its pins bent, and I tried my hardest to try and rebend the pins to make sure that I could use it, but to my avail, did not work. And I didn't want to use another Gateron Red to substitute for another switch, so I just threw it on the right shift, because in all honesty, who cares about the right shift? My apologies to the lefties. For the mods done to the board itself, I decided to keep it simple with the Tempest tape mod. I used 6 layers of tape to really make sure I got that poppy sound down, and I kept the foam that came with the board in between the PCB and the plate inside. I did not keep the foam that was inside the case itself, because I wanted my board to have a slightly deeper sound while still sounding poppy. I kept the stock keycaps because they sounded just fine. No, wait. What's wrong? Hold on. That's better. Because I'm broke. They are OEM profile double shot ABS, so they sound okay. They are backlit. The plate mounted stabs suck, so I holy modded and lubed them. Also clipped them too. Well, I only did 2 of them, because only 2 of them had ticking issues, and holy modding is tedious and I don't like it, so yeah, moving on. I couldn't figure out what the plate was made out of, but from what I've seen, it is very stiff and black. Overall, this dumpster fire rebuild didn't turn out so bad. Anyways, here's the sound test.